Good morning, Team Crypto, and welcome back. Today we are going to be going over quite a bit. As you may realize, this is my first time coming to you with news, and I'm going to be doing this every Tuesday and Thursday for about 10-15 minutes. My goal is really just to kind of get you up to date while you are preparing for your day. So, first of all, we're going to go over some Team Crypto news. We've got some racing games. Binance Labs is doing a strategic investment of $1.5 million into Gaming, which is a gaming platform. And little insight into the metaverse here. Banning Bitcoin and Bitcoin mining. I have some information for you about that today. Starting off, we are going to be looking at the Fear and Greed Index. Today, March 15th, looks like we are sitting around at 21, which is good. So the more extreme fear we have means the lower the market is, and the best time to buy, of course, is when the market is down or in extreme fear. Team Crypto, everybody, we have a YouTube site. This is where you are going to find information on how to set up accounts and how to find me. Today in the market, Bitcoin is at a staggering 38,813. Our market cap is sitting at 1.7 trillion. Our 24-hour daily trading volume is 73 billion. Bitcoin dominance is around 42%, and Ethereum is sitting around 17%. Our gas fees is 37 gwei. Ethereum is at $2,539. And let's get on to the news, shall we? Enjin launches Polkadot Parachain. That's right, Polkadot Parachain for NFTs and gaming. In the works since last summer, the Efinity Parachain is courting games on existing smart chain blockchains. Blockchain firm Enjin announced the launch of Efinity, the first parachain on Polkadot network dedicated to NFTs. Efinity's ecosystem is set to be home of over 100 blockchain-based games and applications, the first of which is Crypto Blades, a play-to-earn NFT game with over 1 million users. Enjin has bolstered its plans to build out its Efinity metaverse to the tune of $100 million. Back in November is when they figured out that they were going to invest $100 million, and the platform's first major funding came last July when it raised $19 million in a private token sale by Crypto.com. Followed by a $20 million public token sale through CoinList in July. That's awesome. Polkadot parachains allow for individual projects to create their own dedicated blockchains to scale, a workaround to NFT-based platforms that often congest their network with high volumes of transactions. So I think what they want to do is they want to create a system to where they can have lots of transactions going on, because every time someone's playing one of these games, they're making transactions. If you did this on Ethereum, oh my goodness, you'd $60 a play. Every time you went to go do something, it would cost you $60. But when you use these other tokens, it's basically free. We're talking of hundreds of thousands of a penny to make moves. So yeah, Polkadot is getting in touch with Enjin, and they are setting up NFT gaming. Exciting, exciting, exciting. Up next, Indian travel company Make My Trip to launch NFT series. So, Make My Trip reportedly jumped on the crypto bandwagon by releasing a limited edition NFT series. The digital collectibles will feature NFT landscapes, as the proceeds from the sales will promote local tourism. Very, very good. I have went to the website, and if you're driving, please do not look, but pay attention to the road. But this is what you would be getting. Wow. Let's see. That's beautiful. Very, very nice. And it all moves. Yeah, I like that one a lot. Great job, India. I am very interested to see where you go with this. So, Make My Trip, doing NFTs. They want you to visit India. Up next, Coinbase NFT Marketplace, soon to launch. Coinbase has just announced that it will be launching its first NFT marketplace. On March 14th, Coinbase NFT, the account for Coinbase's upcoming NFT marketplace, posted on its official Twitter account that its team met with over 100 content creators to work on the launch of their new NFT marketplace. Coinbase seeks to innovate in the NFT industry. Exciting. I love Coinbase. I love NFTs. And I will be getting some NFTs here shortly. The new Coinbase NFT marketplace was announced October 12, 2021, raising high expectations among the community. Since then, as the backing of the largest exchange in the United States would put the platform in direct competition with other titans such as OpenSea, Rarible, NFT Hotshot Marketplace, Binance NFT, and Crypto.com, among others. So, although Coinbase has not yet announced a specific date for the launch of the new NFT platform, it is very possible that once it is launched, it will attract a lot of artists and users, are now loyal to the competition. So their goal is to get everybody from Rarible, from OpenSea, Crypto.com. They're basically, I think everyone is going to have their own NFT marketplace if they want to compete with everyone else. So that is that. Up next, let's get into a little Elon news, shall we? Elon Musk says Tesla and SpaceX see significant inflation pressure, confirms he won't sell crypto, which is exactly what we all kind of wanted. We really don't want him to be selling Bitcoin, because the amount of Bitcoin that he possibly could own could cripple or reduce the market really fast. Same thing with Michael Saylor. You know, when you have 117,000 Bitcoin and you put 100,000 of them up for sale at one time, the price would plummet. Now, not saying that it could sustain that well. No, I think that here in a few months it would go back up, and it would almost be like he never owned them to begin with. But that's not going to happen. He is holding, and let's see if there is anything interesting in here I can spout out to you. The SpaceX boss noted that other companies are seeing a similar trend. He referenced an article published by the Financial Times earlier this month, stating that global commodity prices are on track for the biggest weekly rally in more than 50 years, as Europe's natural gas prices have hit new records. Elon Musk, inflation advice and cryptocurrencies. Among those who replied to Musk was a pro-Bitcoin CEO of MicroStrategy. Hey, Michael Saylor. Michael Saylor tweeted, USD consumer inflation will continue near all-time highs. and asset inflation will run at double the rate of consumer inflation. Weaker currencies will collapse, and the flight of capital from cash, debit, and value stocks to scarce property like Bitcoin will intensify. So he's basically saying that they're going to take all the money they have in gold, in silver, in bonds, in stocks, and they're going to take these trillions of dollars, and because of inflation, they are going to move it into crypto, because crypto is going to be your safety mechanism for inflation. Up next, Apple CEO founder Steve Wozniak expects Bitcoin to hit $100,000. He says, "I just really feel it from all the interest." Now, just know that he clearly says that this is a gut feeling. He is not predicting it based off of any scientific proof. He only says that he feels it in his stomach. Me too. I feel Bitcoin's going to go to 100,000 too, and I feel it in my stomach. That's probably all we got here, but let's get into it a little bit here. Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak expects the price to hit 100K. I just really feel it from all of the interest, he explains. The interest in crypto is so high. Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak shares his view on cryptocurrency in an interview on the Wild Ride with Steve-O podcast published last week. He began by sharing his Bitcoin investment experience. "I bought a bunch of Bitcoin at the start to say, how do you play with this new thing? How do you buy something online? I conquered that. How do you buy things in other countries? And how would you pay for a donut in other countries? How do you find an ATM that works with your Bitcoin? I want to experience an experiment and learn it all." Okay, so he did. Wozniak is still holding some crypto. There's several things about Bitcoin that he likes. It's the only cryptocurrency that is pure gold mathematics. And he says that Bitcoin is a mathematical miracle. Love it. I wouldn't say that he is the only reason why I would go out and buy Bitcoin, but knowing that the creator of one of the best, I mean, it's a FANG network. It's huge. Apple and crypto should go hand in hand. And I think that having Steve here bring it up is a good starting point. Up next, Bitcoin could start trading like gold with more mainstream adoption, says Bitstamp USA CEO. So we got this gentleman right here who did an interview on Squawk on the Street, which is CNBC. Bobby Zagata, Bitstamp CEO, joined Squawk on the Street to discuss Zagat's read on cryptocurrencies, how regulations fit into the cryptocurrency picture, and more. Not a lot on this one. We would have to play the video. I'm pretty sure I can only play so much of the video before I am taken off. And I have a video surprise for you on this next one. So I'm not going to play this video, but just know that Bitcoin could start trading just like gold does with a more mainstream adoption. Up next, this will be our last of the day with a surprise at the end. And Crypto.com is doing airdrops. Limited edition LeBron James NFT airdrops. Crypto.com has officially begun the airdrop for the exclusive NFT collection featuring LeBron James. After unveiling the event on Twitter on March 9th, a total of 5,500 fans will be randomly selected for the Moment of Truth NFT collection airdrop, which consists of behind-the-scenes moments and photos from the Super Bowl commercial. This marks LeBron's first collaboration with the crypto-focused brand as part of its ongoing ad campaigns. Crypto.com recently partnered with LeBron James and LeBron James Family Foundation to collaborate on vocalizing and educating all the opportunities that come along with Web3. The funds raised from sales of the NFT collection will be used to provide students and families in LeBron's hometown of Aiken, Ohio, with tools and resources to learn about blockchain, along with career paths in the crypto ecosystem. The Moment of Truth NFT collection consists of 15 NFTs categorized into 3 tiers. Tier 3 features the NFTs that include on-set details and Easter eggs. 5 NFTs with 1,000 edition each. So Tier 3 will have 1,000. We'll have 5 NFTs with 1,000 editions each. So that's 5,000 on Tier 3. Tier 2 is going to showcase the nostalgia of LeBron's roots, including his home, his house, his room in Aiken, and there are a total of 5 NFTs with 100 editions each. So Tier 2 is going to have 500 NFTs in it. And then finally you have Tier 1, which includes 5 NFTs with 10 editions each, so that's 50, with a showcase exclusive glimpse of LeBron from behind the scenes of the big game commercial shoot. Gosh, I'm so excited about this. And to show how excited I am about this, I will be leaving you guys with the one and the only Super Bowl video.
Alright, so cordless headphones, you can watch movies through your phone, and y'all got electric cars. Yeah, the future is crunk. Anything else you want to know? Is the hype too much? Am I ready? I can't tell you everything. But if you want to make history, you gotta call your own shots. We going to the league. We going to the league. We going to the league.
Awesome, everybody. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. And until next time, bye-bye.